Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Aloo Tikki. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need first for stuffing 1 cup boiled split chickpeas, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 inch chopped ginger, some chopped coriander, 3 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 teaspoon fennel seeds, 3 teaspoon ground pomegranate seeds, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoon Asafetida, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste, and 1 tablespoon Desi ghee. For the tikkis, we need 2 big boiled potatoes, 2 teaspoon black pepper powder, some chopped coriander, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 0.5 cup corn flour, and 3 tablespoon Desi ghee. Now for the recipe. For stuffing, turn the pan on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon Desi ghee to it. Once the ghee is hot, add Asafetida, cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Mix everything together. Once the seeds starts to splutter, add chopped ginger and green chilies and mix. After 2-3 minutes, add boiled chana dal and mix. Cook for 5 minutes and then add red chili powder and Anardana powder. Add coriander powder, turmeric powder and salt and mix everything together. Add a dash of water so that the spices don't burn and spices are evenly distributed on the chana dal. Mix everything together and cook for another 5 minutes. Add more water if required or if you can smell the spices are burning. After 5 minutes, add chopped coriander. Mix everything together and cook for 2 minutes. Transfer the prepared chana dal to a bowl. Next, for the aloo tikki, grate boiled potatoes using a grater. To this, add corn flour, salt, pepper and chopped coriander. Mix everything together with soft hands and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes so that the corn flour absorbs all the moisture from the potatoes. If you don't have corn flour, then you can use rice flour or soak flattened rice or poha. Using any of the above starch absorbs all the moisture and makes the tikkis super crispy. After 5 to 10 minutes, transfer this to a big pot and make a dough. Since the potato dough is dry, therefore apply some oil in your hands to avoid cracks while making patties or tikki. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it between your palms to make a ball. Next, with the help of your thumb, make a depression in the potato dough so that it forms a cup shape. Next, add the prepared chana dal stuff into it and press it down. Next, keep rolling the dough in your one palm with pressing and stretching the dough from sides with soft hands. Press the filling if it is coming out. Next, close the mouth of the patty or tikki. Press it slightly from the top and bottom. Next, roll the tikki on a flat surface from the sides to give it a nice shape. Let me show you this one more time. Your patties or tikkis are ready. Next, turn the pan on a medium flame and add 3 tablespoons Desi ghee in it. Make sure that the flame is not at a high flame. Once the ghee is hot, add prepared tikkis in it. Cook until it's light brown from one side. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Next, flip the tikkis and cook from the other side as well. Transfer the tikkis to a plate with a paper towel. You can hear the crispiness of the tikkis. Next, press the tikkis with the back of the spatula and transfer it to the pan to fry it again. Fry it until it's dark brown from each side. This will take another 5 to 10 minutes for each side. You can see that the tikkis have got this amazing dark brown color. Transfer this to a paper towel. You can hear the crisp music from the tikkis. Next, if you crush it using the paper towel, you can see how thin and crispy the tikki is. Fry the remaining tikkis in the same way. Your aloo tikkis are now ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add crushed tikki in a bowl. Add beaten yogurt on top of it. Next, add tamarind sauce, green chutney and mango chili chutney on top of it. The link for all the 3 chutneys recipes are in the description below. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top of it. Next, add julienne beetroot and ginger. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, with the help of a knife, divide the crushed tikkis into 4 parts. Next, in a martini glass, add beaten yogurt, tamarind sauce, green chutney and mango and chili chutney. add tikki pieces on top of it. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top of it. Again, add beaten yogurt, tamarind sauce, green chutney and mango chili chutney on top of it. Add julienne, beetroot and ginger. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, crush another tikki and keep it aside. Next, in 4 short glasses, add beaten yogurt, tamarind sauce, green chutney and mango chili chutney. Now, on a platter, place the crushed tikkis on one side. Place the 4 short glasses on the other side. Sprinkle chaat masala on top of the tikkis. Next, add julienne, beetroot and ginger. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.